Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Tesla card key. This sleek, credit card-sized device is more than just a backup. It is a versatile tool for accessing and operating your vehicle. It is perfect for situations when your phone key is unavailable or when you need to grant temporary access to others, like a valet. Understanding its simple functions will ensure you are always in control of your Tesla. Unlocking and locking your Tesla with the card key is straightforward. To gain entry, simply tap the card key against the B-pillar, located between the front and rear doors on the driver's side. You will hear a confirmation sound, and the doors will unlock. To lock the car manually, just tap the card key on the same spot again. Remember, your car also locks automatically when you walk away with your phone key. Once inside, starting your Tesla with the card key is a simple two-step process. First, ensure you are seated in the driver's seat. Then, place the card key flat on the center console, specifically behind the cup holders. You will see a message on the screen indicating the car is ready to drive. This is crucial if your phone key is not with you or if its battery is low, ensuring you can always begin your journey. Beyond basic access, your Tesla card key offers several other useful functions. You can use it to activate valet mode directly from the touchscreen, limiting vehicle performance and access to personal information for a temporary driver. It is also vital for adding new phone keys or granting access to additional drivers through the vehicle settings. This small card truly enhances your Tesla ownership experience with its versatility.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.